Automotive manufacturing is incomplete without digitization. It holds key to zero defect manufacturing. Mr. Ravindra Gugale, Senior GM Purchase TACO, will share with us his expertise on how to get the most out of the digitization for the automotive industry. Ravindra Gugale, Senior GM Purchase Tata Autocomp Systems Limited, is handling capex purchase end-to-end for new plant and facility development across the entire Tata Autocomp group of companies. Coming with electronics and electrical technology background, he is the veteran in the purchase industry with professional experience of around 4 decades. His journey from a trainee engineer at Philips to this given day has been a commendable one. After he joined Tata Autocomp as the GM Purchase in 2010, Mr. Ravindra handled purchase for Tata Autocomp Interior Plastic Division Pan-India, spanning across diverse domains such as large projects for cost reduction and resource optimization. Latest technologies trend in the molding industry, lean and GIS production improvement, training and building a strong team. He has proficiency in over 5 languages and is a follower of alternative healing techniques. He has completed certification in Reiki pranic healing, emotional freedom technique, graphology and neuro-linguistic programming. So let's welcome Mr. Gugale.
Very good afternoon, friends. So even though the topic is digitization, everybody knows, just like EV vehicles. So we are very much familiar with all such digital solutions and those things. But just my core activity is purchase, so I would like to touch this digitization through that angle. I am sure you as the audience will permit me to do that experimentation. And as my friend Anirudh from Atlas said, Indian Airlines to AI, artificial intelligence, so that journey we know. So in purchase also now customer digitization is very important. So I would just like to take a little time in that. I won't talk anything on this. Everybody knows digitization, what the digitization is. Everybody is holding the mobile and the clocks and everything. Yes, this point I want to touch because quite often I keep getting the question from my supplier partners, what is the business? What opportunities we have in India as far as business is concerned? My straight answer, huge amount of business is in front of us on the platter. It depends on us what we can take, what I can digest. But finally it depends on this person. Definitely in maximum business units or shops I have seen Mahatma Gandhi's such poster, who is customer? And I am sure everyone sitting in this hall is a customer. It cannot be just me or you, but each and every person. Is there any doubt in this? Am I audible at the last? Yeah. So, customer is not an obstruction or hindrance in our business, it's the core part of our business. So since morning, whatever technology we have seen, what are the different alternate methods, processes, what we have seen, finally, these are all for whom? Finally, what we are doing and for whom we are doing? In my opinion, simple question is just customer, nothing else. If we take care of our customer, whatever small or big he may be, my business will run, I can survive. The day I forget my customer, then my downtrend will start very fast. So this will keep little later. Just a small case what I came across as just going through some YouTubes. I'll not say any celebrity singer or anything, but just an amateur singer. He was traveling from the United States airline. And what happened, he was sitting on the window seat and he saw his guitar was, the way it was handled by this crew staff, in such a bad way that guitar broke. And he could see it from the window. And then what happened, just a small film, if you can switch on the audio. And this song becomes so viral on the social media that 22 million views till date, and maybe much more. Just
While
30 minutes
on the
clip.
ground, a
30
passenger
seconds, sorry.
said from the seat behind me, "My God, they're throwing guitars out there." The band and I exchanged a look, best described as terror, at the action on the tarmac, and knowing whose projectiles these would be. So before I left Chicago, I alerted 3 employees who showed complete indifference towards me.
Unfortunately, nobody is ready to listen to customer complaint. If I am not interested to listen to customer voice, I don't think my voice will sustain anymore. And the result was consequence, 10% drop in the stock price of the United Airlines. Can we imagine or can we believe? Such a small customer of that airline, such a small song, maybe a couple of minutes, but can hamper customer in such a big way. So I was thinking of the slide, make or break. Customer can make my business or he can break my business. And business is nothing but it's my own survival. So indirectly customer is making me or customer is breaking me. But there are few companies who takes care of customer in such a way. Everyone must be knowing this logo of the Hotel Ritz-Carlton. So there was a family who visited this hotel, and this very small kid, he forgot his pillow, and his pet name was Joshi. And then after reaching home, as usual, the small kid, so he was not comfortable without his pillow, and then they were searching, they couldn't get in their car, and then finally mother talked to hotel and they checked in the room and they say, yes, your Joshi is here with us. But now it will take at least a day to travel back. So please ask the kid to bear with us. And what they did with that Joshi pillow, they took few photographs that Joshi is enjoying a sun bath, Joshi is enjoying a massage, Joshi is enjoying his family, friends and old friends in the hotel. Joshi met birds, he's playing the golf. And with all this set of photographs, they returned Joshi to that kid, that your Joshi enjoyed our hotel so much, more than you. Just see the treatment given to the customer. So it became such a social viral Joshi on their site, we take care of customer. So one side, if we don't take care, we get a hit, 10%. And by such small, innovative way, if we take care of customer, I'm sure his hotel business must have gone up, and this whole family or their whole friend group and everybody will first give the preference to such industry. So friends, and I'm sure a lot of MSME people are here, automobile industry people are here, tier 1 technology people. But what happens with the customer? Suppose I'm sure everyone here must be ordering one or the other thing from Flipkart or Amazon or something or the other. How many times did you call Amazon? Whether my material is ready, is it on the way, will it be delivered? Anyone who can tell me? Anybody after placing the order, did any follow-up? Nobody ordered? You ordered. How many times you did follow-up, ma'am? Who? You? Amazon giving you update. When did they give you the updates? Oh. Anyone else? Some different experience or bad experience? That I had to call Amazon? Yeah, ma'am, you wanted to say something. They were not delivering. Okay. How many times it happened? Out of? So point, what I am trying to drive here, are we taking care of our customer in this way, the way Amazon does it? Am I updating my customer? Yes, your material is ready, it will get delivered, it is delivered, this is the good receipt number. Today we talk digitization and so much technology which is available, but if we don't use it for the customer satisfaction or customer delight, can we survive? Just imagine if Amazon or any such business units, they would have not done this, where they would have been today. I don't think they would have done such a big way business. So if they can do it, why we can't do it in our industry? And by doing this, in fact, who's going to get benefit? Customer or me as the owner of the business? Owner of the business. This side says owner, that side? Both. Fantastic. Back side? So let us say democracy was. तीनों का vote तो लेते हैं. Both. So both is majority. But still whose major? If I want to give the 51-49 marks. Owner. Customer owner or business owner? Sorry? But everyone is a supplier also, including me. Because I also supply to my end customer. In my opinion, business owner will get the more benefit. The person who's giving service or person who's supplying the material. Why? Because my experience in so many years in purchase, if thing doesn't get delivered or services doesn't get delivered, at senior level they call senior person or the owner of the organization. And is this discussion fruitful or any value addition? No way. Someone in the junior line, down the line has not performed or not done his job, so the entire thing got escalated. Are we not investing our time in the non-value addition? Not our core activity? And how much time? Suppose my customer calls me, then I have to do few calls with my team. They will do few calls in there, down the line. Something will come up. I will reply. 10-20 times out of that I will fall flat because it will be wrong information. Again I have to go back to my team, take that. In this entire scenario, first and foremost I am irritating my end customer, which we really don't take care. And today in auto industry, few of my friends will agree with me, irritation factor is getting counted now. Timely delivery, quality, cost is gone. Basic hygiene. How many times I irritated my customer? In whatever way. So next time that customer thinks twice before sharing RFQ with me. Irritation लेना है क्या? इसे RFQ दे दो. Headache लेने का है? इसे RFQ दे दो. Today nobody wants to buy headache. Whatever smallest item we go to any shop or any chai ka thela, are we buying that product service or we are there to buy the headache? Just imagine कोई चाय के ठेले पे गया और वो चाय वाले ने बोला सर थोड़ा गैस लीक हो रहा है, थोड़ा पाइप टाइट करके दो ना, फिर मैं चाय बनाता हूँ आपके लिए. और वो शक्कर वाला आया नहीं अभी तक, थोड़ा उसको एक फोन घुमाओ ना. हम इमीडिएट बाजू के ठेले पे चले जाएंगे. भैया मेरे पास बहुत हेडेक है, मीटिंग से तंग होके आया बॉस से, इसलिए चाय पीने आया हूँ. उसमें तू और मुझे काम पे लगा रहा है. राइट? I can see a lot of mischievous faces, so it makes sense. So same thing I tell my all supplier partners, if you are here to buy my headache, most welcome. Let us enjoy a cup of tea, coffee and then do the business. But if you are going to give me headache later on, then really think twice before entering into any business. So if such GPS and everything is available in every industry, why we can't do such a small app or something or some system down the line within our organization to inform supplier online basis? Yes, things can be done. And such technical dashboards if we made in our business, that what is my OE, what is my raw material, am I making your products in time, how I will deliver you. Customer will get real happiness ki yes, I am being updated. So he can plan his all further activities. This touch point in the software industry, yes, they do it. Ticketing systems and those things. So these will be the real benefits what if we really do this. And it will not cost much, definitely, because if owner is free, senior management is free to focus on the core activity, future business, future technology, getting future ready. And they don't spend time on such small things, I'm sure our business can fly. And really then we can become a better, because the whole world is talking alternate China or all such things. But are we ready to take that big volumes, that handle that latest technology? And on another side, we have a challenge of skilled manpower. Can I focus more on that? But if me as the owner of the factory or the senior management or the MSME owner, do I have a time to do all these things? So it won't cost much, but I need to do it. Online customer information, yes, they'll be happy. The way we are happy from Amazon or all other business units. Focus more on our core activities and very quick customer response. Today is the time of that. So I am sure if we take care of customer through digitization, all of us, we can share online information and save our huge amount of time. And definitely the moment I take care of customer, my entire organization has to take care of that person who's going to share the data with the customer, because they cannot share wrong data. So entire that back pressure will raise our organization to a next level. And then only we can become a world class and deliver the 100% perfect item made at the first time right to domestic, then the next is the export. Because everyone says India is a big market. Let's enjoy that. With this, I thank you.